Hey guys, if you clicked on that thumbnail, you want to see how you can keep 100 snakes in your master bedroom. Let's go check it out. So this is our master bedroom. This is where the magic happens. So first, we have a bunch of baby racks here. We have some babies in them and a lot of empty ones. This here is a pot that I keep to keep our temperature, our humidity's high. In the wintertime, it gets dried out here. So I keep it on low and it keeps our humidity in the room between 50 and 60. There's our incubator. This is my workstation. It's a little busy. Here's all my pretty plants. There's my ultrasound. I was ultrasounding a little bit today, so that's fantastic. You got to have, come over here. This is my information tags. I'm a very visual person, so we 3D print egg tags, in-shed tags, and then this one here is they get a tag if they ate, so I know who has been fed and who shouldn't be held. So we have our grow outs. Here we have 3 racks of V70 tubs, so that's all of our big ones, and then our more babies and grow outs over here in this corner, along with cleaning supplies. So this is our room, and this is how we run Graceful Pythons out of our master bedroom. We decided to give the snakes this room. It's the warmest room in the house, and it holds the humidity the best. So we took the colder basement room, which is much better for me. So it's this works out great. We just have a really teeny room. But yeah, just wanted to show off how we operate things here a little bit. The incubator is definitely my favorite. My husband's awesome for helping build it, and it turned out so nice. We haven't had any eggs in it since June. But here, before you go, I'll show you some girls that are getting ready to lay, hopefully. Let's see. This girl right here, she's a super edgy G-stripe, so she should be laying soon. I can't wait for that, and I'll definitely post it when we do. And then this girl right here, she'll be laying first. She's real soon. So she is a clown het VPI, and we paired her to a pastel cypress VPI het clown. She's sassy. So she's due on the 27th of this month. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. Like I said, it's been a minute. We moved all of our snakes up here last year. And so a lot of the girls, sometimes when you move them, the temperature change, just the change in general restarts them and they absorb. So that's what happened. We only had 2 clutches last year. We're looking forward to having a lot more clutches this year. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to pump out one of these videos every week. So if you have any ideas for videos, if you're curious about anything, let me know in the comments. This is for you guys, and I'd like to share. So again, as always, go out and have an adventure. Oh, I was making turmeric. I just got done making chicken, so the turmeric has dyed my hands if it looks yellow. Go have an adventure, touch some grass, and remember just how much you're loved.